Hi guys, I am William Montgomery Jr. And today I'm going to show you how to make macaroni and cheese. Pack style. Okay, so first what you want to do is open the lid a little bit. That should be enough. Now just pull this stuff out. We'll go over these later. Now, let me show you one there. So, next, follow me to the refrigerator. Oh, hold on. Okay, there we go. So, next, like I said, we're gonna put water up to, let me show you. I think I can show you the line. Well, here. See my finger going across the line? Yeah, you probably can't see it, but yeah, it has to go to a line. So if you see these words called fill to line, oh, sorry, I have a fly in my house. Okay, so never worry about that. Okay, so let's fill up to the line. Oh, sorry. If you pass the line, it's okay. You spill it out on the sink because I also passed the line. Did I? So you just gotta make sure you check the line. Yeah, I kind of passed the line, so. There we go. Should I do it? Yep. Okay, sorry it took long. I was just trying to check. So yeah, you also need to check. So now that you're done, you can now put it in the microwave. So if you don't know how long to put in the microwave for, you at least need to put it into the microwave for 3 minutes. So let's go ahead and put it in the microwave. It says 300, that means 3 minutes. Oh, I accidentally said 600. Sorry, it's so hard because I have the light on. There you go. Now, so in here is the cheese. So when we go ahead and put it in there, make sure you flap it like this because that's how you're gonna have to do it. Just do it like this. So if you have any questions, I can't really answer them because they're in the comments below, but it's okay. But if you need a grown-up or something to help you with, as a adult person that can help you, as this can probably get messy to you. Who knows? It can get messy. So 2 minutes left. Now 1 minute left. That was not bad at all. Just to let you know, this job is not for kids under the age of any older age, because it can probably get messy and your microwave can be high, so your child is not supposed to be making this stuff without an adult, or it can probably hurt him or her. So it's almost done. Just 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 9. Why do you keep counting down? it will go down to 0 minutes from 59 all the way to 0. I don't know why. So I hope this is not gonna be a very long clip, because this is going to take forever. This is all gonna take 6 minutes just for this. No, let's not complain. So I'm gonna turn this up real quick to show you what's inside the cheese. I should have done this a long time ago. It's okay. Can't get it open. I didn't get some scissors yet. Now be careful with scissors, guys, as this can be dangerous for children. There we go. Oh, it's done. Sorry guys, gotta get the thing out. It is hot. Now you're free to open it all up. Oh wow, steam. Okay. Alright, that one. I still see some pouring in there. You guys might have thought it probably already had cheese, but no, it didn't have the cheese at first. Cheese is really good. Okay, so let's not worry about the cheese and let's get stirring. Oh. So I'm just gonna go over here, get a spoon. You don't need a very large spoon like this, just a simple spoon. Now, let's get stirring. Give me a second. I have to do, oh, I almost spilled this. Is kind of stirring there. So let's get to it. It's really turning yellow or orange. Almost there. And done. That was easy. We got it all stirred up. Now, thank you for watching, guys, as that is the end of the macaroni cheese making video. I hope you enjoyed, and always goodbye.